Hello and welcome to pH Chemistry. Today's explainer is alkanes, saturated hydrocarbons, all single bonds, general formula CnH2n plus 2. By the end of this video you'll know how to name them, their properties and the test that fails for them. Alkanes are saturated hydrocarbons. Every carbon-carbon bond is single and has the general formula CnH2n plus 2. The first four are methane, ethane, propane and butane. They make excellent fuels because they burn cleanly when oxygen is plentiful, and the C and CH bonds release lots of energy. Three things. 1. Saturated means all single bonds, no double bonds. 2. The general formula always works. For N carbons, you have 2N plus 2 hydrogens. And 3. Alkanes are the main components of natural gas, petrol, diesel, and heating oils. Common slip. Alkanes do not decolourise bromine water. That's an alkene test. Alkanes won't react under normal conditions. Only alkenes have the carbon-carbon double bond to react with bromine. Quick example, propane, C₃H₄, 3 carbons, 2 by 3 plus 2 equal 8 hydrogens. Burning it, C₃H₄ plus 5 O2 goes to 3 CO2 plus 4 H2O. It's used in heating, barbecues, camping stoves, burns clean with enough air. Right, if any of this is going to stick beyond this video, drop into phmaths.com. You'll find a free 4-week GCSE higher revision planner ready to download, plus mastery workbooks across maths, physics, biology and chemistry. One for every higher topic, every answer fully worked, every common slip flagged. Simple explanations, serious results. See you next video.